Hi, I'm Jack from Indoor Outdoors, and this is a quick unboxing and assembly guide to our Jake's Farmyard medium chicken feeder. We quickly open that. You're going to have two side panels. Leaflet, roof panel, and the main bottom panel. So you're going to need a small hammer to assemble it. It can be any type of hammer. And I'm going to put a piece of wood on this table so I don't damage the tabletop. So first, you want to take this base part. You can see there's dotted lines here that will allow you to fold it by hand. You want to fold them to 90 degrees roughly, like that. Then you take an end panel and match up the slotted holes. Like that, and they'll poke through them holes. Then you simply put it on a sturdy surface, take your hammer and gently tap them round. That's one side done, and you're going to repeat the same on the other side. And then you can have the general base of structure complete. And then we need to put the roof panel on. Take the roof panel, you want to bend it in the middle, place that on, so we need a little bit more. And that clips on. And then same again, tap them round. So there you have it. This is our medium galvanised chicken feeder that hopefully it's going to give you and your chickens many years of joy. So thanks for watching. If you want to see our full range of chicken feeders, please see them on indooroutdoors.co.uk.